Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to receive a file by using Bluetooth in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, and it is very simple. I'm sending a file from my Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, how to do that? First, you need to click on Start menu, then search about Bluetooth. Then you will get these settings, Bluetooth and other device. Open that settings, then you can see here currently Bluetooth is turned off, and click here to turn on, and you can see another option is here, Bluetooth device discovery. Currently it is on advanced method and you can select default method. So here some other settings, show notification to connect using shift pair, so you can turn on that one also. And now we are going to our phone settings and turn on your mobile phone Bluetooth, then click here. After turning on your Bluetooth on your mobile phone, click the add device, then you can get this menu, Bluetooth device, my keyboard, phones. Okay, I'll click on that, then it will be show nearest Bluetooth devices. Okay, so click this one, it is my phone Mohammed's S25 Ultra. Click on that, it will be show connecting, and I'm receiving a pair request on my mobile phone. I accept that pair request, so it will also show here, and click the connect, it will be done. So we are successfully connected our mobile phones to our computer. Okay, and you can see here, then you can right click to remove this person or join a person and network on these connections. Okay, so how to receive a file, it is very simple. You can open your file manager on your phone, take a file, then click on share button, then select Bluetooth as sharing method. Then you can get the Bluetooth name on your phone. Currently it is Shamil, you can see here, and touching on that, then it will be show, make sure you're receiving Shamil set to receive file using Bluetooth. So we need to open a file system to receive that from Bluetooth. So here is option send or receive files via Bluetooth. We need to click here, then you can see two options is here, and select on this one, receive files. You can also receive files um, without pairing devices, but actually you are using pairing method for it will be much easier. So click on receive files, then once again select your files from your file manager, use share method as Bluetooth, then it will be show the Bluetooth device, then tap on that, then it will be start receiving. You can see here there is an option coming here, add device, tap to add, and I will access the pair request. Once again it will be paired and the file is received. So this is the method you can see here, and you can also change where the file go to save. Currently it is on my document folder, so I am clicking the finish button. So that's guys, and go to Windows, this PC, that means my computer, and selecting on documents, then you can see here my PDF file is here. So in this way you can just receive a file from Bluetooth by using this method. So it will just a lengthy video, but actually I'm covered all of the settings which if you are facing any problems on your file transmissions. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.